Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have new tutorial video again, and it's all about how to show follow button on our Facebook account. So guys, let's start. First, i-click natin ang ating Facebook app para tayo makapag-login ng ating Facebook account. Next guys, i-enter natin yung ating password. Next, i-click ang login. Ayan, nakapag-login na tayo sa ating Facebook account. Next, ay i-click natin itong 3 lines of the upper portion sa right side. Ayan guys. Next, scroll down at hanapin ang settings and privacy, then click. Next guys, i-click ang settings. Ayan, scroll down ulit at hanapin ang followers and public content, and then i-click. Ayan, nandyan yung who can follow me. Dapat ay naka-public yan siya guys. Next, scroll down. Dito sa public post comments, dapat naka-public. Ayan. Dito sa public post notifications, it's up to you guys kung ano yung gusto niyo. Pwedeng everyone, friends of friends, or no one. But mas prefer ko yung friends of friends. And then, dito sa public profile info, ayan, pwedeng naka-public, friends of friends, or friends. Ayan guys, ano yung gusto ninyo, kung sino yung makakita ng inyong profile info, pwedeng friends ninyo, or friends of friends, yung friends ng inyong Facebook friends, or pwedeng naka-public. But, mas prefer ko na naka-friends lang siya guys. Ayan, balik tayo. Hanapin ang how people find and contact you, then click. Ayan guys, sa who can send you friend request, click natin yan. And then, dapat naka-friends of friends. Ayan guys, naka-friends of friends na siya. Balik na tayo ulit sa menu. Ayan. I-click natin ang ating profile picture. Ayan guys, as you can see, yung color blue, mayroong nakalagay na add to story, and then edit profile, at saka mayroong 3 dots. Click natin itong 3 dots guys. Ayan. Sa profile settings, nandyan yung follow settings, account status, archive, view as, activity log, manage post, review post and tags, view privacy shortcuts, and search. Click natin itong view as. Ayan guys, sobrang dali lang. As you can see, naka-indicate na yung follow button sa ating Facebook account. Before we end this tutorial video, shout out nga pala kay Camilo Montesilio, at gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking YouTube channel. At sa mga bago pa lang, please subscribe to get more videos from me, and give a big thumbs up if you have learned in this tutorial video. Comment down below guys, what do you want to see next on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.